Well, you couldn't have asked for better weather. It's awful nice to see people out enjoying Southport, coming to our community and enjoying the food, the crafts, and the music. We're really proud that people have pitched in and made this the event that it's become. Car show's in its 6th or 7th year. We've got a wonderful turnout this year. Awful lot of nice cars and an awful lot of nice people who brought them, fixing the food, playing the music. I hope everybody has a chance to come out and visit us next year on October the 13th. Keep our fingers crossed for the same kind of weather.